Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back.
Differential equations get easy fast when you test structure carefully, because one option will actually satisfy y prime equals e to the 2x plus 2y. First, rewrite the equation as y prime minus 2y equals e to 2x, so it is a linear differential equation in standard form and ready for an integrating factor. Now use integrating factor e to negative 2x, because multiplying everything gives e to negative 2x y prime minus 2e to negative 2x y equals 1, which becomes a product derivative. That means the derivative of e to negative 2xy equals 1, so integrating gives e to negative 2xy equals x plus c, and... Well done! Option C. Scan now. The trap is signs and rushing. The rule is trust the given equation and check each step carefully.